Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, potato, rice, super easy, budget friendly, little bit spicy with chili, optional that is. Yeah, delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, then let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got rice. I've got like 3 or 4 cups of cooked rice. Try and use nice cold rice. This is actually 1 day old. This has been in my refrigerator. I cooked it yesterday. Makes a big difference. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well. This will kind of end up a little bit more fluffy. Potatoes, roughly equal amounts. Quite chunky, and what I've done with these, I've peeled them, given them a wash, and I've boiled them just for like 3 minutes. So they're still very hard. Just kind of helps them on their way. You can do it with raw if you want, it just takes a bit longer. 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I've got some chilies. They look really hot. They're actually not that hot. They're not fire. Got a nice flavor to them, but yeah, not super hot. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt, maybe a couple of other bits. That's it. Very simple. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. Use something different if you want. Heat is on. In go the cumin seeds. I want quite a high heat at the moment. Then simply we're going to drop in our potatoes. Like I say, these have been boiled just for 3 minutes. So still very hard. Do it from raw if you want. It just takes a little bit longer. Okay, let's fry these around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, there you go. Just starting to get a little bit of colour on them. You don't want them like French fry colour, you know, just a little bit. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in that onion, the garlic, and if you wanted you could put some ginger in here if you fancied that. Salt. Staying on this heat, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. Really fabulous, so easy this one, and really tasty. Next up we're going to drop in those chilies, completely optional, nice bit of colour, little bit of a kick. Like I say, they're not massively hot. Then we're going to go with the cumin and the turmeric. Could use just a little bit of curry powder if you want, if you don't have the separate spices. And now time for the rice. In that goes. Like I say, try and use cold rice. It really makes a massive difference. It will kind of remain a little bit more fluffy. In we go, stirring away. 4 or 5 minutes now. Keep it moving all the time. We're nearly done. Delicious. Really wonderful. And as you can see, because I've used the rice that is cold, it's not got all clumpy and stuck together. It's kind of retained itself and, like I say, separates and is light and fluffy. Off goes the heat. Little bit here of cilantro or coriander chopped. Little mix in. I'll see you at the table. Wonderful stuff. Okay, and there you go. Lovely stuff. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, delicious, little bit spicy, nice. Hope you enjoyed that. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.